Aggression is any physical or verbal behavior intended to hurt or destroy. Beating down on someone's face represents aggressive behavior. Aggression is focused in your amygdala, which helps to control temper, and in your frontal lobes, which can control impulsive behaviors.
Dreams are known for their hallucinatory imagery and for the dreamer's delusional acceptance of content.
Be where I have been, sit with elders of a gentle race.
Type B personality. Relaxed, easygoing style where everything rolls off them like water off a duck's back. Type B personalities would be considered the more gentle of the personality types and could be called the gentle race. Lens, the transparent structure behind the pupil that changes shape to focus images on the retina. Anyone in this world must thank their lenses, as otherwise they would never be able to focus images and therefore never see.
Insight is a sudden and often novel realization of the solution to a problem. All being revealed is due to insight that helped reveal all to Robert Plant.
Sounds caress my ears. Not a word I heard could I relate. Story was quite clear.
Audition, conversion of sound waves into neural impulses by the hair cells of the inner ear. You're able to be audibly caressed thanks to your ears, which are made up of the outer ear, auditory canal, tympanic membrane, middle ear, inner ear, oval window, cochlea, basilar membrane, and hair cells. Outgroup, a social group with which an individual does not identify. In this situation, Robert Plant is clearly a member of the outgroup, unable to relate to what the others said.
All I see
Imagery, forming of a mental picture to aid in the retention of details. In the previous line, he expresses that the language that was being spoken was unfamiliar to him, but he was still able to conceive the meaning through images in his head.
as the sun covers the ground. And my eyes feel the sand. As I scan this risen light.
Thematic apperception test. Projective tests in which people express their inner feelings and interests through the stories they make up about ambiguous scenes. He is looking at a particular image and attaching a negative connotation to it. This association could potentially be representative of his subconscious perception of the world around him.
Pilot of the storm who leaves no trace, like thoughts inside a dream.
One psychological theory to explain the reason behind the content of our dreams is that they are our brain's mechanisms to sift through the thoughts of our previous day.
He's the path that led me to that place, yellow desert stream. I Shangri-La beneath the summer moon, I will return again. And the destined flows high in June, when we're moving through Kashmir.
Incentive, external stimulus that motivates behavior. Do not need to be aware of it to happen. Here, Robert Plant's sort of heaven, Shangri-La, acted as an incentive that helped to lead him down the path to that place.
Oh, Father, up before the winds fill my sails, across the sea of fear. With no provision, but an open face, on the straits of fear.
Wilhelm Wundt, father of experimental psychology. On the topic of fathers, Wilhelm Wundt is considered father of experimental psychology and developed the first formal psychology lab at the University of Leipzig in 1879. Limbic system, a group of brain structures that regulate basic emotions such as fear and rage. The emotion and feeling of fear is regulated in our limbic system, which is made up of the thalamus, hypothalamus, and amygdala, and resides in the forebrain. Self-actualization in Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Model proposing the hierarchy of needs that individuals are motivated by, with the last stage being self-actualization, or the motivation to fulfill our potential. In this context, he has not yet reached this stage, but is making conscious efforts to achieve so. Depression, mental disorder resulting from a chemical imbalance represented by low moods and sadness. Sexual response cycle. The changes that males and females go through as they become more sexually aroused, beginning with excitement and ending with resolution. Likely wanting to take his baby to the orgasm phase, Plant will cause contractions all over her body, an increase in breathing, pulse and blood pressure, and sexual release.
Okay, you can stop it.